Hey guys, it's Jazmine here and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be my go-to twist out style. I like to do this for school. It's very easy for school and I love doing it. And so to start out, I am starting out with conditioning my hair and just to make sure it's detangled and everything. And I like to section my hair off into 4 sections and then put conditioner in it and then tangle it out. I like to lather on the conditioner. I am not stingy with the conditioner. I like to put a lot on just to make sure it is really moisturizing my hair, because I'm not going to be wetting and moisturizing my hair for a good week, for the entire school week. Like this style can last me for about 5 days, and so yeah, I'm just detangling it now with the conditioner in it, and my hair is wet. And this is what my hair is looking like. My hair is growing and I'm really happy about it. If you guys have not seen my last twist out, my hair was a lot shorter, but now it is a lot longer, so I'm happy about that. It's all these protective styles I've been doing, and so now when I'm done with one section, I just put it back in a ponytail just to let the conditioner soak in my hair. And now I'm doing this top section just so you guys can see it more. And I'm again lathering my hair in conditioner and soaking wet hair and then tangling it out. And this process takes a long time for me. My hair is really thick, so detangling my hair is a long process. And now that I'm done, I just rinse it out and put in some leave-in conditioner, and I'm ready to do the twist out. Now, to start out, I like to use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and then after the Pillow Soft Curls by Miss Jessie's, I just section my hair off from the bottom section, and I'm going to be doing 2-strand twists. So I grabbed a section of my hair, first put the Curl Enhancing Smoothie on it, and then the Pillow Soft Curls, and then I brushed it out, I put the smoothie on it, brushed it out, and then put the Pillow Soft Curl cream on there just to make sure my hair is moisturized and my hair is very defined and curly before I twist it up. And so I'm doing 2-strand flat twist. I don't really know how to explain it. If you can kind of see, there's 2 strands and you keep on twisting it and add hair to the twist each time. When I get to the end, I just have to make sure my hair is all smooth, and I twist it up and then curl the ends so the ends do not look flat and straight when it is dry the next morning. And then I like to take my t-shirt and then scrunch my hair in the t-shirt to make sure to get all the excess product out. And now I'm showing the process again, putting the Curl Enhancing Smoothie in my hair, tangling it out, and then putting the Pillow Soft Curl in it, and then just twisting it up, doing some 2-strand twists. I'm showing from a different angle so you guys can see the back better, and then I like to twist the ends just to make sure my entire hair is curled. And now I've sped up, and it's been like an hour now, and I for the top of my head, I like to part it down the side and then do the twists pertaining to the right side that I want my twist to fall in, just to part my hair, make it look a little cute, you know. If you have shorter hair in the top, you can twist them to the front of your head so it could be poofy and it would stand up straight, but I like to put the top down because I have longer hair. It's all on preference. But so yeah, I do that to my entire head, and then I go to sleep. And then the next morning, I am ready to take it out. And sorry, this picture is not the best. My camera kind of fell. It was really early morning. Sorry about that. But anyway, I'm just taking them out very carefully. They were not that dry, but because I was doing this late at night. But so I do recommend having your twist dry as complete as possible so you can get the best out of your style. So yeah, so I'm just taking them out as careful as possible. and throughout my entire head. And then this is what my hair is looking like when I take them out, and I super moisturized and defined, and very cute. And so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel down below for more videos every Tuesdays and Thursday. Bye guys!